Today, I'm making over Brendon Urie from Panic at the Disco. What's going on YouTube? Steven, the Salon Guy here, and in today's video, I'm going to be creating a new haircut and hairstyle on Brendon Urie, and as you can see here in the photos, he's just got that awesome hair. I've gotten so many requests to do his haircut in the past, which I've done, and he's just an awesome dude, great singer, and he's really got cool hair. So you're gonna be in for a shock with what I'm going to be doing for his new look. So I've already pre-done a mannequin. I'm gonna show you guys kind of the styling process, then break down the haircut, and we'll see what the new Brendon Urie looks like. Ladies and gentlemen, may I present to you the new Brendon Urie. Well guys, here you have it. I think it looks pretty awesome. I've never really seen him as blonde before like this, and what I really did when I cut this is I created a disconnection right in through this side and through here. So this part is completely disconnected, and this side is blended here as well, and he's always got that somewhat disconnected shape already. But first of all, the coloring process is a big job, especially for someone with such dark hair. The key is to really lighten it as light as you possibly can, but you have to be careful, it could damage your hair, especially if your hair is that dark. So I don't suggest doing it unless a professional is doing it for you, because it's a really, really big job. But what I did do is I faded this up probably from like a number, probably like 1.5, 2 guard in through here. And this was completely again, a 1.5 and a 2 guard up into this corner and through here, so it's completely disconnected. And the top, what I did is I blended the back and I added a lot of texture. So the top is probably about 2 inches, 2.5 inches, and then the very, very front is probably 3 inches or so. I blow dried it, and then I used my product talc, which gives the hair a lot of texture, and I think it looks pretty awesome. So here we have the finished result. All right, YouTube, thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and click the bell so you're notified of when my videos go live. And I hope you guys enjoyed this. Let me know in the comments below what you think. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you next time for more videos with the Salon Guy.